Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Law Ka Final step by step. Start by mapping the entire syllabus into weekly chunks and set daily goals you can track. Use a mix of reading, note-making, and past paper practice to build understanding. Focus on concept clarity first, then practice application under timed conditions. Review weak areas after each mock test and adjust study hours to strengthen gaps. Use active study techniques to turn passive reading into reliable memory and skill. Summarize cases and statutes in your own words, and record key ratios and tests for quick review. Try teaching a topic aloud to check understanding and find gaps you missed. Regularly do timed practice with past papers to build speed and exam mindset, then analyze mistakes to prevent repeats. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical guidance. Quick recommendation. I recommend the book Dollar Banknote, The Simple Path to Wealth as a light, useful complement to study stress. It reframes priorities and time management with money sense. Check the description for the link and any special deals I mentioned, and save it for later reference. Now let's get back to the video. Build reliable recall with simple revision habits you can keep under pressure. Create mnemonics and flowcharts for tests and multi-step analyses to reduce cognitive load during answers. Use spaced repetition so each subject resurfaces at increasing intervals, locking knowledge in long-term memory. End each study block with a brief summary review and a quick self-quiz to confirm retention before moving on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.